Oh, that's good. That's gravy. It's weird that something as simple as a bushing will make a big difference in the way a door closes. I know it's been a long time since we've done anything on the Miata, and this car should have been done. I hate to say that, but I'm gonna start working on it today, right now. Today is Sunday, so I've got a bunch of parts, and I'm gonna start like attacking one thing. Like I've got interior parts, and then I've got waiting on bushings for the rear end. I'm gonna do the rear diff fluid, bushings for the rear diff, and then I'm gonna attack the interior, do a short shifter, First thing we're gonna do today is I've noticed the doors, when you close them, they're sagging a little bit. So apparently a lot of people say these bushings after years wear. So I bought some replacement ones. They're 3D printed. I'll put the link to them in the company. And these are actually slotted, so they do have some adjustment instead of those. This is a really easy swap. It's 2 tins on each side. I did spray in here with penetrating fluid. So we'll get these bolts out, get this on like that, and we'll close it and see what it does. So I got the old one off. I switched from the ratchet to a screwdriver because as you were ratcheting, I was hitting here. So I went to a screwdriver, took them out. These are slotted. The old one is slotted too. There is a little bit of adjustment up and down in them. So now we'll take our screwdriver, put this in, tighten it down with the ratchet, and we'll go to the other side. Let's see if you guys will sit. Like, see if you guys will sit right there. There's a little room there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is tighten it down but not get it snug. And I will see if it needs to come up. I'm going to try and get it lined up. You can see the old. So what I'm going to do is bump it up just a little bit. Basically start all the way up. And then go from there. And then I'll tighten it down. And then I'll snug it down with the ratchet. And I know it's good. Okay, so let's see what our door does. Oh, that's actually a much better close than it was before. Actually opens a little bit better too, it seems like. That's definitely a lot more solid. I know it sounds dumb, but it's the old one. You can actually, that's more solid. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but all right. So let's check our door, see if it needs to go up, down. Looks like it can go down just a little. I'll adjust that. If I drop it down, it may close this up too some. And then we'll get the other side changed. Got it adjusted, got it just loose, tapped it with my hand just like that, bumped it down a little bit, tightened it up. It's perfect. So now I'm going to take this. This is 3D printed plastic, so don't go crazy. You will crack it. Take this. Like I said, I got it as tight as I could with a screwdriver. Now we'll take our tin, give it a little snug. Okay, about there. Like I said, I'm not going to go crazy on it. Okay, right about there. Okay. Okay, all right. One more close. Oh, that's good. That's gravy. It's weird that something as simple as a bushing will make a big difference in the way a door closes. All right, so now we'll take our tools, our bushing, go over there. I've already sprayed it with, I use liquid wrench. You can use PB Blast or whatever. What I do is when I spray it, I sprayed it in here, sprayed a little bit right there too, on top with a straw that would run into it, but I mainly sprayed it right here and let it soak for about an hour or so. So now we'll go over there, do the same thing. Oh, that's good. Got this side loose, it actually come loose a little bit easier. There's also a spider web in it. So we'll get this done. What I'm doing when I adjust it is I'm trying to keep the line the same. You can see where the old one was. and then get it lined up with that, and then when you adjust it, you can go up and down, and this little line will tell you, like basically you can see the paint is not faded versus faded. Will tell you if you need to go up, down, or whatever. Like I said, you can still see the line. So, line of dirt, I guess you'd call it. So let's see. Oh, that's, I don't know why that makes such like, because it feels like solid now. I guess where the other one was like an actual bushing, but that's like solid. This door was worse than the other door. This door, when you would pull it out, it would actually like, and I think that it was sagging in there. But that looks good right there. So I'm going to tighten that down and we'll be done. Oh, that's good. That's gravy.